Welcome to the Creator's Playbook for DALL-E, a masterclass in ChatGPT image generation. We will cover the essential steps and techniques for creating stunning visuals using AI. Let's configure your digital studio. Access to image generation depends on your tier. Plus, Team and Enterprise tiers offer extended usage. Ensure your model selection is set to GPT 4o and locate Create Image in the menu. The generation pipeline involves 5 steps. Initialize by opening your browser. Select the GPT-4o engine. Command with action verbs like create, refine with modification prompts, and finally, extract and save your image as a PNG. The anatomy of a perfect prompt includes 5 components: an action verb, the subject, the background, lighting, and composition. Structuring your prompt this way will lead to precise and detailed results. Compare a basic input, like a dog, with a master input that includes subject, background, and lighting details. The master input results in a significantly higher quality and more detailed image. The stylistic control matrix shows how a single base subject can be rendered in different styles, such as photorealistic, digital art, watercolor, cartoon, and cinematic, simply by changing the stylistic syntax in the prompt. Sculpting with illumination and mood dramatically alters the visual output. Notice the difference between soft morning light, dark moody atmosphere, and neon cyberpunk lighting for the same scene. The refinement tree demonstrates how you can modify a base-generated image. You can adjust darkness, add elements like a cat, or change the entire style, such as switching to watercolor. Force variation and environment shifts by asking for variations or changes in setting. This allows you to rapidly iterate through distinct environmental states while preserving the core subject's composition. The prompt architect's blueprint breaks down the process into 4 layers: the engine, GPT-4o, the blueprint, structured prompt, the execution, generative process, and the output, final asset.